Welcome to the FlexiNet training guide. In this video, we'll be running through how to use a Yealink T54w on CallSwitch using the FlexiNet standard configuration. Although we're using the T54w today, most of the features we cover are the same when using the Yealink T4 and T5 series phones. We'll start by running through the various line keys available. Starting from the top left, you will see your name and extension. Below this, you will have an answer button. Pressing it answers any call coming into your team. You'll then see the 3 park buttons, which we'll run through at the end of this video. Over the other side, you'll see your own bespoke contact list. If the contacts here are on the CallSwitch system, they'll be displayed as green when their phone is idle. They will be shown a red light when they're on the phone, and they'll flash red when their phone is ringing. Pressing a flashing red button will answer their phone, assuming your user has permission to do so. The bottom right line key will scroll through the 3 screens of contacts. Below the line keys, you'll see your soft keys. The call log will display the calls you've made and received. Directory will show the contacts on the system and your external directory if you have one. The next button shown here is DND or Do Not Disturb. Press it and you'll put your whole account on Do Not Disturb mode, and anyone that phones you will go to voicemail. This works across your desk phone, mobile app, web app and PC app. Simply press it again to turn it off. This specific soft key may be configured differently depending on your own business requirements, such as login and log out button for hot desking, or signing in and out of call queues. The menu button will take you to the options of the phone. The main options of interest are under Basic. Here you'll find Bluetooth for headset functionality and Wi-Fi, which can be useful if you're running the phone over Wi-Fi at home. The general navigation buttons are on the left, along with the volume control. This can change the volume of the ringer, the speaker, the earpiece and headset. Over the right, you'll see the headset toggle button, mute, voicemail, hold, recent calls and transfer buttons. At the bottom, you'll also find the loudspeaker button. To make a call, use the number pad to dial your number. Please note you do not need to press any extra digits to get an outside line, but you do need your area code. To connect the call, lift the handset or press the send button. When on an active call, the soft keys have changed to display transfer, hold and conference. The 2 dots will toggle to the second screen. Pressing it will show end call, RTP status and park. To transfer a call, press transfer, then either dial the number and press send, or press the contact you wish to transfer to. When the user answers, you're able to speak to them to explain who you are transferring before pressing transfer again to complete the transfer. To blind transfer, just press transfer again before the answer. Press hold to put the customer on hold. Press the same button again, now labelled as resume, to bring them back. Conference easily allows a 3-way call to take place. It works in a similar way to transferring. Press conference, then pick the person you wish to speak to using the line keys, or dial the individual. You'll begin to call the new person and have the opportunity to explain that you're about to have a conference call and ensure the extra party is okay to do so. When confirmed, press conference again to bring them into the call and make a 3-way call. After pressing the toggle screen, you'll see end call. This will hang up. Pressing RTP status will show the real-time transport information, which generally is used for detailed call information. Finally, you'll see the park soft key. Pressing park will park your call, placing the customer into a virtual holding area where they will hear your hold music. Note you are no longer on an active call. You will see park 1, 2 or 3 will now be red. You can now either verbally explain to another colleague that there is a call on park 1, 2 or 3 for them to pick up, or you can change phones to pick the customer up in another location. To retrieve the call, simply press the park key required. If you're transferring to a device without park keys, like the mobile app or a decked phone, simply dial the park bay to pick it up, such as 701. Thank you for watching the FlexiNet guide on how to use a Yealink T54w with CallSwitch. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and check out our other videos for further tips. And remember, let us know when you're next reviewing your hosted setup and see how we can help you get the most from your communications.